I bought this cordless pool vacuum and decided to use it every single day for a month straight, so I could not only show you how to use it, but also give you my honest opinion on how well it works and how well it's held up after 30 days. This is the Handheld Rechargeable Aqua EZ 11-inch pool vacuum and everything it came with, which is linked down in the description box for you guys. To charge the vacuum, you just slide this clip-on charger over the top, then plug the cord into the charger and into an outlet. It has a red light on the power cord that'll turn green when it's fully charged. Put the stainless steel mesh debris filter into the vacuum, then snap the cover on over the quick release button on the front. The connector for the telescopic pole slides right in and latches in place. The vacuum comes with these two interchangeable heads. The smaller nozzle has a brush you can slide on or leave it off, and this larger one is like your typical vacuum head. It has brushes and wheels on the bottom, brushes on both sides, and the connecting piece on top tilts forward and backwards. You can switch between the two attachments easily by just sliding them in or out of the bottom of the vacuum. Lastly, you just snap your telescoping pole onto the vacuum and you're ready to go. To start this vacuum, you place it into the water, make sure it's fully submerged, then turn the knob on the side from the off to the on position. Push the vacuum to the bottom and slowly roll it back and forth across the pool floor.
The darker it gets, the harder it is to see. I made a couple attempts, but my hands were still empty. Yeah, my hands were still empty. But I'm gonna stay up, I'ma stay up, I'ma stay up. Stay up till I catch me up. Lightning bug. I won't give up, I won't give up, I won't give up. Give up till I catch me up.
When you're done, you just pull the vacuum to the side of the pool, turn the knob to the off position, then pull it up out of the water, making sure to hold it upright so the water can drain out properly. To clean the vacuum, you'll push the release button, remove the cover and the filter, then use your hose to rinse everything out. This filter has a really fine mesh that's great for trapping even the tiniest pieces of sand, but there are a few things it won't trap. I had an algae bloom recently, and after thoroughly brushing and shocking the pool, there was a ton of dead algae sitting on the pool floor. When I tried to vacuum it up, the algae was too fine for the filter to catch, so it just ran right through the vacuum. I took one of these skimmer socks and placed it into the filter, then vacuumed the pool as usual. The skimmer sock didn't interfere with the suction of the vacuum. It picked up all of the debris as usual, and it trapped the dead algae, instead of it just passing right through the filter and back into the water. I've linked these skimmer socks down in the description box for you guys as well. Once you're done with your vacuum, you want to rinse all of the debris out of the filter and rinse off the rest of the vacuum pieces before storing them. The attachments and filter can be stored outside. The vacuum body should be dried off and taken inside, where you can recharge and store it until next time. It's been a month straight of using this battery-powered pool vacuum every day, and I can honestly say that it has been well worth the money. The wheels on this attachment make it really easy to roll it along the pool floor, and the brushes help to scrub any scum or algae off of the liner. The suction is great. It picks up everything in its path, and I rarely have to go over the same spot twice. It doesn't always pick up larger leaves, but that doesn't bother me since I can get those out when I'm skimming the pool. It does a great job of picking up all of the tiny bugs, the larger bugs, pine needles, sand, dirt, all of the other stuff that is constantly falling into this pool. The filter doesn't trap algae, but the skimmer sock fixed that problem, so that wasn't an issue for me. The only thing I'd change about this vacuum is to make it weighted so it would stay on the bottom of the pool on its own. As is, you have to push it to the pool floor, which isn't a big deal. It would just make it a little easier easier when rolling it back and forth. Other than that, this really has been the perfect cordless vacuum for me. Spending 10 minutes a day vacuuming has made the world of difference. My pool looks so much better since I don't have all that debris just sitting on the pool floor for a week at a time in between vacuuming. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my future content. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, you can check out one of these videos linked right here.
But I'ma stay up, I'ma stay up, I'ma stay up.